I'm giving him a figure 4 stretch. Dallas can easily do at home to open his hamstrings. Is it too much behind the knee? Okay. So if I give you some pressure back this way, how's that? Okay. So it feels good in the hamstring, not too much behind the knee. If I give you some more into the calf right there. So when I'm working with you, I can give you the assist. When you're at home, you just do the same thing against a wall. If I give you a little more pressure right there, how's that?
Good.
Good? Okay. Now, can you bring the strap together into one hand, this one? Now, can you bring that knee over, like hug it into your, there you go.
Okay.
So instead of bringing it in there, I want you to keep it here, but I want you to go this way.
Okay.
Because that way you can hug that leg in and get a little more stretch into your gluteals down here, right? This is something that I would teach to a client to be able to give them stuff we can mix and match in session, where on the one hand it's assisted, and on the other hand I'm showing them how he can do some of this at home to be able to work on his own hamstrings and gluteals.